Welcome to bulletgenie.com. Today we're going to talk about testing small bearing surf bullets like 6mm, 60 grain to 64 grain. What we're testing today is some 64 grain boat tails. Now they are really a small bearing surface, so what we're going to use, I use a feeler gauge, a 20 thousandths for this application. What we'll do, we've got the machine warming up. It's been warming up for 20 minutes. We were testing previously, in the previous video, some 6mm 110 grain long-range bullets, 108 grain and 105 grain long-range bullets. These bullets have a very small bearing surface, therefore we must fine-tune the machine. Just like tuning your rifle, you've got to tune the machine. So what we've done, we've placed a bullet in the cradle. We've got our star set to approximately the center of the test area. We will go ahead and do a spin up on this bullet, and it's placed approximately in the center of the bearing surface. It's a 203, 167, 125 with a test deviation of 77. That's far too high. So what we're going to do is start to play with this a little bit. Let's go back 20. Analyzing, we get a 40, 33, a 20 with a test deviation of 19. Let's go back a little bit further. Okay, spin up, 39, 42, 43, test deviation of 3.5. Okay, we're very close there. Let's just go ahead and take it back another 20. We've got an extreme spread of 41 on here. Just to see where we're at. No, we're going up, so we have to go back where we were. So we're going to go back 20. The way to do that now, instead of moving the block and setting the 20, we're going to move the bullet, the base, toward the center of the coil. So we're going to take the 20, come in here and push down. So move the block forward to touch. Now we're back in the specific area that we tested previously. Let's see where we're at. Yeah, 46, 33, 41. With a test deviation of, or an extreme spread of 40. Let's go ahead and one more time. 41, 30, 41, test deviation 11. Okay, we've adjusted our drive ring over the bullet in the front of the coil. I'm going to show you that. Here's our coil area right here. It's a 10mm coil. We're in the front area. We drive ring down here. What we're going to do now to get that test deviation in spec is move it back to about the center. And the way we do that is we take our Allen wrench, loosen, and slide back to just a little to the right of center. Okay, we're going to place our bullet. Our star was in the test range, so we're good there. We're going to go ahead and analyze 150, 177, a test deviation of 27. So we're going to move forward 20. And what we're going to do is move forward. So we're going to keep that tight against the base. We're going to move this in to 20 and then move the bullet block against the base and test. There we go. 27, 17, 15 with a test deviation 11. Now we're going to go forward another 20. And another test. 13, 17, 11. Test deviation is 6.3. We're getting really close. We're going to go ahead another 20. Thirteen, 13, 13. Test deviation is 0.7. Okay, you guys can see that it took a little bit of patience, but we found the sweet spot. This thing is dialed in. It will test 60 grain to 64 grain, 6mm bullets all day long now in this position. If you change calipers or weights, you will have to go through this process again. But these are the most difficult bullets. 22, 50 grain boat tails, 52 grain boat tails are about the same difficulty level as the 60 to 64 grain 6 millimeters. And that is what you've got to do, is adjust back and forth on the bullet, and then the drive ring tension on the center, behind center of the coil, in front of center of the coil. We've got it. There's a 12. So we're going to bend this bullet in the 12. Let's take another bullet, place in. That was a 12 bend. Okay, we've got a 17. So what we'll do is take our 12 bend. Now we've got a 17, and we will place this in a 17 bend. Let's test another bullet. Okay, we've got a 27 bend. So we will place this bullet in a 27 bend. Here's a 27, 28. And we will take another bullet. That's how you fine-tune small bearing surf bullets. Test deviation of 2 or 4.2 with an extreme spread of 36. So this will go in a 36 bend. There you have it. That's our video for today for bulletgenie.com.